to Mini Minds TV. Hello. Splash with me. I'm Daisy the Dolphin. Come play with me. Dee 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 dee. Listen to me. Dee dee. Say it with glee. Big D. Hands up high. Little D. Down low. High. Big D, little D. Don't you see? They both say D just like me. D is for dog. Get wag, 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 wag on a sunny log. D is for duck, duck, quack, 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 quack. Splashy luck. D is for drum, drum, tap, 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 tap. Drumming fun, rhyme, fun, rhyme, fun. Clap, 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 clap. Tap your fins, clap, clap, clap. Tap your feet, tap, tap, tap. Splash, splash, splash with me. Happily. D is for door, door. Square, knock, knock, knock. Once more, once more, once more, once more. D is for donut, donut, donut. Yum, 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 yum. Go nuts. Can you say D? Great job. Can you say D? Can you say dog? Can you say duck, duck? Can you say duck, duck? Can you say drum? Can you say door? Can you say donut? Great job, you learned the sound with me. Goodbye, goodbye, splash and wave. You learned the D. You're super